I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question for my student Ryan. Now Ryan, here is question number 12, page 377, transformation of trigonometric functions. The current I in amperes of an electric circuit is given by the function I of t equals to 4.5 sine 120 pi t, where t is the time in seconds. When is the current minimum in the first cycle? Now we'll again discuss the same point which I've been emphasizing on, and that is to understand the sine function. So let me first make a rough sketch of this sine function. Always just make a sine wave like this, right? So once you make a wave, then we'll fill in all of the criteria. So what is given to us is it, that means I is there on the vertical axis and time is here on the horizontal axis. Now in this particular case amplitude is 4.5, that means this is 4.5, and the minimum value is minus 4.5. Time period for us will be how much? Time period will be 2 pi by k, and since k is 120 pi, we can write this as 2 pi by 120 pi, correct? So that gives us 2, and this goes 60 times, right? Pi and pi cancels. So we have 1 over 60 as the time period. So this is 1 over 60 in the first cycle, correct? Now the question here is, when is the current minimum in the first cycle? Let us understand our sine wave. Now when does it have a maximum? When does it have a minimum? As you know, if time period is t, then the minimum is, this is 1 at, let's say this, from 0 at t fourth part of the t, it is maximum, half of t, the second t fourth, it is 0, third t4, it is minimum, and fourth t4, it is again 0. Do you see that? So minimum for a sine function is 3/4 of the cycle. Do you understand? Is 3/4 of time period. Do you understand? That is the point where the minimum occurs. Now in this case, the time period is 1 over 60, and therefore minimum will be 3/4 of 1 over 60. The units are seconds. So in the first cycle, it is going to be at this point, which you can write as equal to 3 can divide 60 by 20, so you get 1 over 20 times 4, 80th of a second. So that is the time when you will have minimum. So therefore we can write down our answer, that is minimum will be at t equals to 1 over 80th of a second. So that is how you can answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.